The auctions are in full action mode and bidding for auction 12 has started, with the obvious Picasso taking the lead and winning every bid until someone else comes from behind and beats their 75,300 KSM contribution, which I highly doubt. None of these teams care about any market corrections that happened today, and in fact a few new ones have joined the fun. Quartz, which is Unique Network's Canary network, has launched and already has just over 4.4k KSM contributed to it because, as I've said in the review video I did about them a while back, the earlier you contribute, the more rewards you get. It will actually be interesting to see how contributors will react when the rewards halve from the start. Gen Shiro, Sherpa X, and Sakura also joined the list, which you may be familiar with from the previous rounds, but where's Darwinia's crab? Maybe they're planning something else. Anyway, there are two other ones on the way, probably in a week or two, which are Zeitgeist and Pontem Network that I've spoken about before, and I'm saving most of my KSM for Pontem, even if I contributed small amounts to some of these top ones already. But before we continue on, I'd just like to take a moment and thank today's channel sponsors, Unique Network. So let's watch this short clip. This video is sponsored by Unique Network. Unique Network is a scalable blockchain for composable NFTs with advanced economies. The NFT chain built for both Kusama and Polkadot. Their Canary network, Quartz, are launching a Kusama Crowdloan, and you can pre-register to show your interest and be notified in advance. Unique Network and Quartz have some unique features to offer, such as flexible economic models, sustainable NFTs, complete customization, advanced ownership and management, NFT to NFT, scalability, and interoperability. Check out Unique Network from the link in the description of this video to find out more. Astar Network are also due to launch their crowdloan for Polkadot, and I hope that it won't be as messy as Moonbeam once was, and will hopefully not be as messy as Shiden was in terms of the actual price, in the sense that the price took a huge plunge due to those who got the airdrops plus the crowdloan contributors. Though I don't have very high hopes. We'll find out all the details tomorrow when Sota, the CEO, will hold a crowdcast that has over 1,000 members registered to it already. I'll also give you my personal thoughts when we get the information from that crowdcast. Next up, Calamari are getting closer to delivering the long-awaited 4 token transfers after governance is enabled. They had a small bug which was blocking them from progressing, basically ending up in a situation where they needed some KMA tokens but had 0, so they couldn't proceed. But thanks to referendum 146 on Kusama, it got sorted. And finally, Kusama and Moonriver are closely matched in price at the time of doing this video, which is quite a rare occurrence. I haven't seen it since the $400 range when they were also closely matched. Who would have thought 1 KSM it would be equal to 1 MOVR? And I wonder if GLMR, which is Glimmer from Moonbeam, will end up being worth the same as 1 DOT too. I know, that's just hopium, that's all. That's been it from today's video. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please don't forget to drop me a comment below telling me what do you think of today's market crash and about the upcoming crowd loans on Kusama and on Polkadot. Bye bye.